The ocean has always been a mystery, but in 2019, something changed. A deep-sea research team off the coast of Alaska detected a signal, not from above, from below, nearly 3,000 meters under the ocean. At first, they thought it was a whale call, but the pattern was wrong. Too precise, too controlled. Dr. Marcus Hale, a marine signal analyst, noticed it first. "This isn't natural," he said. The signal repeated every 6 minutes, but each time it got louder, stronger, closer. Within hours, the research vessel Orion changed its course. They had to find the source. A deep-sea drone was deployed. It descended slowly into darkness. 100 meters, 500 meters, 1,000 meters. Light disappeared, only black. Then something strange appeared. Movement. Not fish, not known marine life. The drone camera flickered, and then it saw something, a massive shadow, watching, still, silent. The signal suddenly stopped. The crew froze, then it returned, louder than ever. Back on the ship, Marcus analyzed the feed. The signal wasn't just sound. It had a pattern, a structure, almost like language. The drone continued deeper, 2,000 meters, pressure rising, systems unstable. Then they found it, a structure, resting on the ocean floor. Impossible, smooth, metallic, not broken, not ancient, perfect, as if it was placed there. Recently, the signal was coming from it, and then the drone lights shut off, one by one. Darkness consumed everything. Only one sensor remained active, audio, and then a sound came through, low, heavy, breathing, not mechanical, not water, something alive. Marcus whispered, "Turn it off, now." But it was too late. The drone moved, on its own, not controlled. The camera came back online for 1 second, and what it showed was not the structure. It was closer, much closer. An eye, enormous, opening slowly, looking directly at them. The feed cut, complete silence, no signal, no drone, nothing. The crew decided to leave immediately. No reports, no data released. The mission was erased, officially. It never happened. But weeks later, a fishing boat reported something strange, the same signal, every 6 minutes, coming from below, and sometimes late at night. Sailors claim they can hear it, not in the water, but inside their heads, waiting, calling, watching from the deep.